This is a tutorial video for CapCut on how to add a fade out. Okay, so in my previous editing programs, fade out was usually with the transitions, but in CapCut is not that way at all. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a fade out. So let's get into the program and I'll show you how to do it. All right, so we have added our video to the timeline, and now we want to add a fade out. We want to fade out from the ending of the video. So where are we going to find that? Well, believe it or not, it's under animations, so next to the player on the very top. You see our cursor is on animations. I don't I don't think anybody would have guessed that that's where fade out is, but that's where it's at. Let's click on it and I'll show you. So we go under animations, and then we have in, out, and then we have combo. But for our purposes for this tutorial, we just want to do out, and yeah, there it is, fade out. Okay, so we're just going to click on it, and it automatically adds it to the end of the video. And as you can see here, the duration is by default 5 seconds, but if you wanted to go longer, you can do it longer. But let's just take a look at what that looks like when we play it. Okay, there's a video and then 5-second fade out. Okay, but let's make it a little longer. So we're just gonna put our cursor on this little arrow right here next to the 0.5, and let's bring it out. Let's extend it out to just maybe 2 seconds here, and let's see what that looks like. So let's take a look. We're gonna play it. And there it is. That looks a lot more natural, and there you go. That's how you add a fade out to a video in CapCut. All right, give this a thumbs up and give me some commentary. And hey, you want to see more editing videos with CapCut? Go check out this video right here. I'll see you soon.